All right, LinkedIn friends, I'm going to show you how you can 3x adoption of Mortgage Coach, but by showing you how to focus on a specific work experience that creates an awesome customer experience. You can improve 3x your adoption of Mortgage Coach, but you can apply the same philosophy to almost any technology. So first, it's important to note, I mean, this is the data. So Prosperity Home Loans with 500 plus loan officers was averaging about 20% of their loan officers using Mortgage Coach. And by just saying, hey, we're going to focus on a specific workflow, which was the Encompass integration with Mortgage Coach, and they were able to get over 300 of their loan officers using Mortgage Coach within a matter of months. Like we're talking 3 months. And then this is another, like, is it worth doing that? Heck yeah, it's worth doing that. Here's a case study from Churchill where the loan officers at Churchill that do not use Mortgage Coach when they run a credit report, 21% conversion. For the loan officers who use Mortgage Coach, 28% conversion. Guys, this is an incredible amount of loans by just focusing on a specific workflow. So let's see the workflow. You go into Mortgage Coach. Guys, hit the timer, by the way. Click import. Go to the folder where you know the loan is at. Put in a couple letters. Grab that. Actually, I'm going to do this purchase TCA. So click on a specific TCA, hit enter. Guys, we just created a Mortgage Coach total cost analysis. So, I'm going to click on that. This is the Mortgage Coach total cost analysis I created. Now this is the loan officer experience. So the loan officer can interact with AI and ask questions in AI. I'm going to go over to the customer experience. So remember, work experience, faster, easier, using an integration, gives a loan officer experience so the loan officer can interact with AI. And now you give this to the consumer. And the consumer can not only, voice text, what if I'm thinking about refinancing in 2 years? What's the best option? Boom, AI is answering the questions. What's the lowest cash to close option? I could type that, put it in. Guys, speed of thought. Like families, borrowers get what they want. We've heard for years, oh, the Mortgage Coach total cost analysis, it's too much information. Well, now it's exactly what the consumer wants. And the loan officer, you're getting a transcript of this. So like if they ask questions like, are these interest rates competitive in the market? You know that. Whatever question they're asking, the loan officer knows. So faster, easier than ever for consumers to get exactly what they want. And then faster than ever to create a total cost analysis. So, all right, guys, you just saw how we used a specific workflow and a specific customer experience that makes things faster and easier for the loan officer and gets higher conversion rates with the consumer. More credit reports into closed loans, more profitable because of that experience. Now we've got our head coach, Spencer, is going to show you how you can create a Mortgage Coach total cost analysis in 44 seconds from your mobile phone. Check out Spencer.
All right, start the timer and let's get ready to go. All right. Importing a contact. And we're going to do some different purchase prices here to show someone who might be shopping and wanted to put 20% down. I'll throw in some closing costs. We'll go do an estimate of our monthly costs here. And then we're going to go add a second purchase price option. I'll redo the down payment. Everything copied over. And look at that. Done. We just did a TCA in 44 seconds for my buddy Justin here, who wanted to go look at a couple different purchase price options. We have this quick presentation showing him the difference in monthly savings and cash to close. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, right?
So guys, did you see that? That was, what was it, 44 seconds? like less than a minute to create a total cost analysis. If you want to learn more, you can private message me. You can go to trustengine.com, request a demo. If you're a loan officer, you can sign up for $150. Get signed up today. Go to Trust Engine, get signed up. But most importantly, we want to be integrated into your tech stack. We want to be integrated with your pricing engine, your LOS, your CRM. Make it easier than ever to deliver price with advice, coaching at scale by Trust Engine. Look forward to talking.